Yo guys, this is Chris and here we meet again with another Jeffree Star mystery box unboxing for his Valentine's Day edition. And I ended up getting the premium box because the I guess the deluxe box was sold out. So I had to settle for the $40 ones. I was too late. Let's start to see what I got inside. I'm very excited. My cat was trying to open it earlier and he's like staring at me right now. He is a Jeffree Star fanatic, so I'm really excited. I can't open it. I don't even have my knife. All right, so we're just gonna use my muscles here. This tape is gonna be like 1 hour later.
1 hour later.
We got it open, and off the bat, I got a pop-up from Jeffree Star. I already have one, and I might put this in a giveaway, so let's put that aside. Ooh, I see some lipsticks. I'm actually wearing one of his lipsticks called Unicorn Blood. So this is Unicorn Blood on my lips. Okay, so here we have Jeffree Who. Ooh. I was swatching earlier, so that's why my hand's a little dirty. It's like a salmon pink, like a dark salmon pink. I love this. This is something I would wear every single day. I've got another one. This is called Scandal. This looks like it could be like a purpley color, purple pink. It's like Pepto-Bismol, like a dark Pepto-Bismol color. There you go. Ooh, that's another fun color. And here we have one called Diva. I should do it this way. Ooh, that girl. This is like pink rainbow here. These are all colors I'm dying to try. I want to put all 3 of them on my lips, like 1, 2, 3, like for reals. All right, and we got another lipstick. Jeffree heard me. He gave me a crazy color that I really wanted to try. He made my dreams come true. This is a color in Popsicle Dream, and it's exactly what you're thinking. It's like a Barbie purple. That color is amazing. Let's try it. OMG. We got all the hints of Valentine's Day there. We have 4 items, and this is the last item in the bag, and this is Skin Frost in mint condition. Oh, yes. It definitely is. Look at that. I don't know if you can tell. I'm like running out of room. I don't know where to put this. You know what? I'm gonna put it on here. I'm just gonna throw a little bit because I didn't put too much highlighter. Now I'm glowing. Do you see that? Do you see that? These 4 lip products are basically worth $18 each, and that is about, let's do the calculations. That's about $72 just for these 4, and add the Skin Frost for $29, $101 for $40, and plus the socket. I could put plus $6, I don't know. It's like $107. So you're getting over $100 of products for $40 in this mystery box. $75 for the savings. That's a lot. That is really good for this mystery box. And plus you're getting colors that you can wear every day. A crazy color you may never try, and a Skin Frost. Like, look how blinding that is. Okay, it's not that blinding in my light. But so thanks guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching my video. Be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more videos that are coming at you. Hopefully there's more mystery box unboxings. And let me know if there's a mystery box you want me to get and try. So thank you guys so much. I'll see you next time. Take care. Happy Valentine's Day. Mwah. I'm gonna be spending it playing video games. That's my Valentine's Day date. It's video games. Actually, Leon from Resident Evil is a dreamboat, so he's gonna be my Valentine's Day date. Literally, I'm playing video games. I'm playing Resident Evil 2 walkthrough. Oh my god, now I'm rambling about Resident Evil 2. But look up Leon S. Kennedy. Girl, he may not be real, but he is a dreamboat. Bye.